Pipsqueak Piano Toddler is the fun musical adventure and lesson book for little ones under 3. Full of coloring and craft activities, and adorable pictures to explore together, parents will find that introducing piano to your littlest one is easy. With instructions and helpful hints on each page, you don't have to know piano to begin their journey. Includes over 15 favorite songs that help you teach the foundations of piano technique and music notation to the littlest of learners. The only book of its kind designed for ages under 3. Let us help you teach your little Pipsqueak piano. Order now.